Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Diamond, and today I have for you something from Target. It is a it's called Best Gift Ever, a cosmetic 8-piece collection of irresistible makeup must-haves. So kind of make it a little surprise. This is what it looks like. There's a little sneak peek. But I just ordered this Monday and I just got it today. It's Thursday. And it was $19.99 and it has a over $45 value. I just thought it'd be fun, like, to give like gift ideas for the holidays or even just something nice for yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and show you what's in it. Okay, so it's really, there's a lot of really nice stuff in here, it looks like. First thing I'm pulling out is from Sonia Kashuk, maybe? Sorry. But anyway, it's a brush. And I'm like so far back. I hope this turns out good. You can see it. Okay, so it looks like maybe a face brush. I don't have a lot of time to film because my kids are just in the other room, so I'm not going to open that one. But next we have from e.l.f. the Bite Size Eyeshadow in Rose Water. These are so cute. I'm so excited to try this. Okay, so here it is swatched. It's very cute. Sorry about the lighting. This is not where I normally film, but... Okay, so next we have something from Pixi. It's the Peel and Polish Resurfacing Concentrate. It's a little nice size. This is Salon Peel Treatment made easy at home. Natural fruit enzymes exfoliate and polish to reveal a more smooth, radiant, and healthy complexion. Okay, so it's 15 milliliters. It's not bad. Next in here, this is so pretty. It's from Blossom, infused with real fruit. You can hear my son, he's probably coming in here. But it's got little flowers in it, and they kind of even move around. Isn't that cool? But it's roll-on lip gloss, moisturizing and flavored formula. And it says strawberry. Okay, next we have something from NYX or NYX. I've seen it both ways. It's a butter gloss. I'll go ahead and swatch it. There it is. It's pretty. Nice pretty pink. Next we have something, it's called Sexy Mother Pucker. It's by Soap and Glory. Lip plumping gloss. Okay, so this is a lip plumping gloss. I'm not even going to open it because I don't use those, so I will save this and pass it along to someone else or put it in a giveaway. Next is probably what I'm most excited for. We have some lashes by House of Lashes. I love their lashes. And these are so pretty. Okay, and then the last thing is another thing I'm excited for. We got a full-size Real Techniques makeup blender. And this is, okay, this says for powder makeup. Miracle Powder Sponge. And it's got like the velvet on it. Oh, I don't really need to open it. Seamlessly apply setting, bronzer, highlight, plus blush powders for a flawless finish. A revolutionary foam technology paired with velvety material for evenly blended powder. Okay, so that's cool. I'm excited to try that. So yeah, like I said, this is just like I wanted to show you, like, maybe for a gift idea or something for yourself. But yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Alright, bye.